green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have ever dreamed of stepping right into your backyard to pick sweet, juicy, sun-ripened strawberries, you are in the right place. Growing your own berries is one of the most rewarding gardening experiences, but keeping them organized, productive, and safe from pests requires the right setup. Today we are diving into the most creative, stylish, and functional DIY strawberry garden planter ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a fruitful paradise without breaking the bank. A DIY strawberry garden planter is a custom-built, space-saving container or structure designed specifically to nurture strawberry plants in backyards, balconies, or patios. Choosing to build your own strawberry planter allows you to optimize vertical growing space, maximize sunlight exposure, and improve air circulation, which prevents soil-borne diseases and root rot. Furthermore, elevated or vertical DIY planters keep berries off the ground, effectively protecting your precious harvest from hungry pests and slugs. It is an affordable, customizable, and eco-friendly way to enjoy fresh fruit while elevating your garden's aesthetic charm. Not only are strawberries delicious, but they're also easy to grow in almost all climates. Whether you're starting a container garden, adding greenery to your balcony, or establishing a full-blown backyard garden, adding a strawberry plant should be one of the first things you do. With love, care, and plenty of sunshine, you could be snacking on juicy homegrown strawberries in just a few short months. Strawberries grow well in pots, planters, hanging baskets, and even window boxes. Although bright red strawberries are beautiful on their own, planting them in a cute pot or container doesn't hurt. Check out these 15 DIY strawberry planter ideas for inspiration. One, tiered strawberry planter, a tiered wooden planter box on gravel. If you have a small outdoor space, strawberries are the best little fruits to grow there. With this DIY tiered planter from Hydrangea Treehouse, you can easily grow several strawberry plants in a compact space. Strawberries tend to take up a lot of horizontal space, so growing them vertically is ideal. Growing multiple plants vertically will help you get your hands on as many sweet berries as possible. 2. Strawberry tower, a strawberry plant in a green plastic planter. Speaking of saving space, this DIY vertical strawberry planter is perfect for small garden spaces. To make her DIY strawberry tower, this blogger used recycled materials to cut costs significantly while still ensuring a hefty strawberry crop. 3. Hexagon planter box, small plant pots surrounded by wooden planter boxes in different shapes. The best way to add some style to your backyard garden is to use unique planter boxes. You can buy cute ones at nurseries and other shops, but making your own will let you have complete control over the design. 4. DIY hanging strawberry planter, soil and greenery in rows of hanging planter boxes. While gardening can be an expensive habit, you can definitely do it on the cheap. As proof, we present you this DIY hanging strawberry planter. The folks at Foxy Folksy made it from repurposed wood planks, and they say you could even use an old rain gutter if you have one that's the right size. 5. Wooden strawberry planter, a tall wooden stake with holes in it and strawberry plants coming out. Strawberries can grow so beautifully in compact spaces, which makes them amazing and delicious choices for beginner gardeners. This wooden strawberry planter is easy to make, and the blogger behind the handyman's daughter says it has space for a whopping 18 strawberry plants. 6. Pallet planter, greens bursting out of a pallet planter. It's astonishing how many things you can do with a wooden pallet. This DIY strawberry planter is just one of them. Using just one pallet, the folks at Lovely Greens made their own perfect planter free of charge. 7. Recycled planter. A pink plastic planter filled with a strawberry plant. Don't throw out those old nursery pots. Instead, upcycle them to make this DIY strawberry planter. Try putting an upside-down water bottle in the pot to prevent your plants from drying out. 8. 3-tier planter. A 3-tiered terracotta planter in a front yard. To make this DIY 3-tier strawberry planter, you'll need 3 pots. 1 small, 1 medium, and 1 large. Fit them inside one another and fill them with soil and lots of strawberry plants so you can snack on the fruit all summer long. 9. Cedar planter box. A cute planter box on the railing of a patio. If you're looking for a way to beautify your front porch, we've got the DIY for you. Use flower box brackets to mount this DIY cedar planter box to your patio or deck railing and fill it with strawberry plants. 10. Cinder block strawberry planter. Strawberry plants in stacked cinder blocks. Try something truly unique and make this DIY cinder block strawberry planter from the folks at Clearwater Cottage. They recommend staggering the blocks so that there's enough support underneath the holes to keep the soil in. 11. Wire planter. Strawberry plants inside a wrapped wire planter. Garden pests are not a fun problem to have. They can decimate your crop in one fell swoop if you don't put preventative measures in place. One way to prevent garden pests from eating all of your strawberries is to plant vertically so they can't reach them. Try making this PVC-free vertical strawberry planter from a wire garden fence. 12. Floating window planter. A bright kitchen with a greenery-filled window box. Mounting a window planter to your kitchen windowsill is a domestic dream. Not only do they look cute, but they also allow you to open the window and snip off fresh herbs, or in this case, delicious strawberries, when you're cooking dinner. The folks at A Beautiful Mess used a PVC pipe to make this cute DIY PVC window planter. 13. Wooden planter box. A classic wooden planter box with flowers. Build this simple wooden planter box to show off your bountiful strawberry plants this year. This DIY is inexpensive and easy to build without lacking in the style department. The best part? It takes less than 2 hours to build. 14. Gutter planter. A lush vertical strawberry planter. Snag a rain gutter from your local reuse or home and garden store and repurpose it to grow rows of juicy red strawberries this summer. To make this DIY strawberry gutter, you can use a hacksaw to cut the rain gutter into equal lengths. This blogger made a simple wooden frame to mount them on. 15. Concrete planter pot. A concrete and wood planter holding a green plant. Concrete is a natural-looking moldable material that complements all decor nicely, adding beautiful texture and neutral color. Make this concrete planter with a wood bottom to hold your strawberry plants. The planter alone looks great, but it looks even better with greenery inside. Building your own strawberry planter is more than just a fun weekend DIY project. It is an investment in fresh organic produce and a beautiful garden decor upgrade. Whether you choose a space-saving vertical tower, a rustic wooden crate design, or an upcycled PVC pipe setup, these ideas prove that anyone can enjoy a bountiful berry harvest regardless of space limitations. Get your tools ready and give your home garden the vibrant update it deserves. If you loved these DIY strawberry planter ideas, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest garden inspiration. Which planter idea are you going to build first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow garden lovers.